Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. Right now we can see that Bitcoin once again is back to $40,059. Again, now we still have that red diamond. It has returned, right? Every time we cross below 40,000, this big red diamond candle tends to return it, which is extremely bearish in my opinion, right? As we can see with a big red dot at the moment on Bitcoin. Again, we are still looking to catch a bounce from these levels right here. Let's go back to our chart. We're looking at SoFi right there. We might get into that in a little bit, but right now for the time being we are still looking for a bounce off this green trend line. And a lot of people are asking, why haven't we bounced yet? Why is it not a V-shaped recovery? Well, bounces don't always have to come right away. As you can see, sometimes you get nice double touch points and then you start to go up from there. As you can see previously right here on this on this big drop on Bitcoin, and we came down from this on this support line right there, and we touched 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then boom, we had that big rally, right? But this doesn't it doesn't mean we're gonna get it right away, right? So we just be patient and wait for your trades. Let the trades come to you. Set some buy orders at this support level, and then don't over leverage too much, and set your stop somewhere underneath here so you get stopped at you get stopped at your trade. Proper risk management. What's wrong with me today? Very tired. And yeah, overall I'm still waiting to fill my orders around 39,400. But again, that could change. I might cancel them. So if you guys are watching this video, don't just place your orders, because I could always change my orders. So if you want updates, you guys can join the Discord, or you can check out the Telegram alert channels, which are significantly cheaper if you guys just want the alerts. Now again, if we do get a bounce from this level, I'm still looking to get rejected around 43,400 to 42,500. I still see a significant level of resistance once we get to these levels right here, as we can see right here as well. Once we get past to the top of this green box, you're going to see some resistance there. If we do get past that, you're going to see some resistance at 43,400. So just be careful if you're going to enter some longs right now. It is quite risky. It's also very possible that this line right here starts to give in, and if we do give in and we start to break towards the downside, you're going to see support coming in at 37,300. So if we do enter a trade here, low leverage, we might even start to average down, enter some trades here, some positions here, and then average down to here, at which point I do expect a pretty significant bounce. As we can see, every time we've touched these levels, we've had a very strong bounce towards the upside. So again, listen to what the charts are telling you, and wait, let the trades come to you. Don't start chasing trades, longing here, longing there, shorting here, shorting there. Just be patient. And again, we did enter a trade on Atom. At the moment we are waiting to see how it develops. As we can see right here, is ascending triangle, but again, it didn't play out. Right now we broke down towards the downside. We are holding this level of support, $23.80. But again, if we do start to come up, you're going to see resistance around $25 and $25.10. So right now let's just see what happens. Not rushing into any trades, but yeah, if we do come down to $22.62, you're going to see a big amount of support. As we can see this trend line right here acting as a significant level of support. Moving on, we can take a look at Ethereum, following Bitcoin, trending sideways. Not too much happening there. It's very possible as well that we form a beautiful W pattern right over the weekend. Maybe it is the holiday in Canada. I don't know about everywhere else in the world if you guys have holidays for Easter, but again, if we do form a W pattern, maybe people over the weekend are going to tell their family members how much money they've made with Bitcoin, and then we're going to get a weekend pump towards the upside, and then we'll get rejected around at 42,000. But yeah, we're just gonna have to see. Not really chasing anything right now, just paying attention to what the charts are saying. And again, like I said many times, once we cross into that red money flow, I'm gonna put that check mark here and update you guys every single day on potential downside for Bitcoin. Maybe a 50% correction could be coming, so just pay attention. Right now I still think we might get a little bit of a bounce. MACD's starting to curl back up right now. I still think we might get some upside, but again, the traditional markets right now are looking quite bad. You know, right now today we had a 2% down move in the Nasdaq, leading the charge, 2.25%, and then the S&P minus 1.12%, and then the Dow Jones, you know, trailing back there with only 20 basis points. So overall, not too bad. But again, we close our trade on natural gas. Completely crazy. Let's take a look at the volume. I haven't looked at it all day. It's an extremely busy day for me. Let's see how much volume we got today. On the daily time frame. Okay, pretty decent volume, but still, I still think natural gas is extremely overbought. And I believe Kenny sent me a chart. I'll probably post it in the Discord for you guys. But he's planning on longing natural gas, as we could see right here. You could probably zoom out. I don't know if it's on this chart, or let's take a look at, I believe it's UNG. Let's try and find UNG for you guys. There we go. UNG. No, it's not this one. But again, I think it's something like this. He was starting to show me a big downwards trend line. Maybe something like that. I think Kenny was talking about. And then we retested support. I'm not sure. I forget. I'll post this thing in the Discord. I'm just making a fool of myself right now. But yeah, moving on. Let's take a look at the hash ribbons on Bitcoin. Always like to look at the hash ribbons. Hash ribbons are getting quite close once again, but until they cross, we won't have a capitulation. And even if they do cross, you need that capitulation indicator to let you know. You know, we can see back here, once we got that capitulation indicator coming in, we pump towards the upside. And then we start to roll over. So it's not immediate, it's a lagging indicator. So it's not, but it does signal that a dump could be coming. And again, gold getting rejected right now at this level, 119.82. We had a down move today in gold, pushing down towards this green resistance box, which we held as support right now, and now we're just trending towards the sideways. But if we do get a dump towards the to the downside, I'd be looking at maybe 1924, or potentially the bottom of this green box at 1949. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Oh, which, by the way, today is the anniversary of the YouTube channel. It's been 1 year in the making. We have over 9,118 subscribers now. It's been one hell of a ride. Thank you so much for your support. You guys have been awesome. If you want to join the Discord, links in the description. If you want my trade alerts, links in the description as well. Also, you guys have previews now. You guys can check out to see. I mean, we only started recording the data recently, so there's not too many trades there, but I plan on adding some every time I take my profits, every time I take my losses. I'm going to be posting them there. Thanks, guys. Peace.